Hi everyone, we're going to evaluate this integral and we're going to use partial fraction decomposition to make it easier. So first of all, what you want to do is factor this. Basically, if you have x, factor that out, you get x squared minus 1, and this has that form a squared minus b squared, which equals a minus b times a plus b. So just do that, and now we're going to set this up as x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by x times x plus 1 times x minus 1. And we're going to set this as linear factors. A divided by x plus b divided by x plus 1 plus c divided by x minus 1. Now, clear the fractions by multiplying by your LCD, least common denominator, which is this. So if you multiply both sides by your LCD, basically this will cancel. So you have x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals, write down your a, and the parts that are missing are x plus 1, x minus 1, plus b, and then you do these two parts. So that's going to be x times x minus 1 plus c, and that one's going to be these two parts. So that's going to be x times x plus 1. Now let's go ahead and let x be 0. If we let x be 0, so first we'll let x equal 0. So if you let x be 0, this is going to cancel out the b and the c part. So when you plug in 0 here, you get negative 1 equals negative 1a. Therefore, a is going to equal 1. Now let's let let's let x equal negative 1. If you let x equal negative 1, that's going to cancel out this c part. And it's also going to cancel out the a part. So negative 1 squared is 1, minus 2 minus 1 equals, and the only place it's going to work is with this b. So that's going to be b times negative 1 times negative 2. So it's going to be 2b equals negative 2. So b is going to equal negative 1. Now let's let x equal 1. So if you let x equal 1, that's what's going to cancel out the a and the b part. So plug in 1. 1 plus 2 minus 1 equals, and we're solving for c now, so that's going to be 2c. So c and these ones cancel, so you have 2 equal 2c, therefore c equals 1 as well. So there are your a, b's, and c's, and now we can rewrite the integral as the integral of 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. Now, let's take the antiderivative. So that's going to be ln absolute value of x minus ln of x plus 1 plus ln of x minus 1 plus c. So remember, when you're doing logs, you're reading from left to right. We want to write this as a single log. So ln, and the ones with the pluses put in the numerator, x times x minus 1, and the ones with the minuses put in the denominator. So that's going to be x plus 1 just make the absolute value here plus C. And that will be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.